Hey guys, this is Maria from ShowySocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use Superzoom on Instagram. Instagram Superzoom mode that is available in stories lets users add different effects to their shots as the camera automatically zooms in on their subject. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use it. Go to Instagram Home tab, swipe right or click on the Your Story icon at the top of your screen. Once the camera window opens, find and click on the Superzoom on the left. Now you can see that several icons appear above the record button. Firstly, go right in order to see all of the modes of Superzoom that Instagram provides you with. Keep in mind that you have an opportunity to select from 9 different options. Choose the one you would like to use. Once you select a particular Superzoom mode, its name will appear on a screen. Now hit the button to record a video with a Superzoom effect. After that, you can add stickers, draw or write something. When you're happy with your video, click on the Send To button and share the video on your story. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Superzoom on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at ShowySocial.com.